Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really comfortable set of chairs. Now these were no tools required. It all just snapped right in, so it was super easy assembly. Everything just goes right into place, nice and labeled. And you can actually pull all this apart and make two chairs, which I'll show you here in a second. Each one of these chairs holds 400 pounds. Leave it all outside. It's nice, textured. Even has little cup holders on both sides to be able to put your different drinks, to be able to sit inside there. Have little areas everywhere. I love how it has this little table that you can put a little radio or your food or whatever, and you can have a friend sitting right next to you. It has an area here for an umbrella that has a 2-inch hole, so if you had an umbrella you wanted to put up, easily put that in there. The actual chair itself has a nice little curve that goes down in the back, and it has little holes, so if you had water or anything like that, it all goes in there. And a curve here at the front, so that makes it nice and easy on your legs. Now to take all of this off, I'm going to get the umbrella down, and then I'll show you how to separate all of this, and you can have two different chairs. So now I've got the umbrella out, and because all of this is no tools required, everything just snaps right off. And you take this off, and voila, you now have two separate chairs that you can set up in different ways to be able to have out. You have your table if you ever wanted to add that back in, but now your chairs are here. Like I said, you can organize it, sit it however you want. Nice and comfortable to be able to use in any setting.